Today we're putting our production of 1977 into Chapter Arts Centre, and we've been playing it in a disused department store in Swansea in a promenade production, and now we're about to tour the work, and so we're putting it into Chapter to make it back into a theatre piece again, which it's a piece about, set in obviously 1977, about the making of Apocalypse Now, and a conference in Cardiff about consciousness and nihilism. So that's the piece I'm working on today. I work as an associate artist with Volcano Theatre Company, so I've been involved with all of their most recent shows, so I've done a huge amount of improvisation work, physical theatre. Most notably, perhaps, with reference to my Creative Wales Award, is the project that I wrote called Hitting Funny, which was a one-man show about a stand-up comedian who has a nervous breakdown in the middle of his act, which I performed about 5 years ago. And most recently, I was the writer of Sherman Cumry's award-winning play Deep Cut, about the deaths of 4 young recruits at an army barracks in Surrey. So I'm a writer and performer, and I've been working as a writer and performer for a long time. And getting the Creative Wales Award for me means that I have the opportunity to really take a very, very big leap into the unknown with an experiment. And my aim is to see if it's possible to create entirely improvised performance pieces based on the day just gone. The project's entitled The One-Eyed Man Project, and the aim is that I will stand up in front of rooms full of people in non-performance spaces without any of the trappings of performance or script whatsoever, and create performances. It's an opportunity for me to really take a leap into the dark and see if I can create a new methodology for myself. So I'm suitably nervous, but very excited about that. I passionately believe in the force of theatre to have a positive impact on society, and also to ask demanding questions of society. And the work that I've done thus far has all been in that vein, and I really hope that the One-Eyed Man Project, supported by the Creative Wales Award, will help me to continue to do that, to really ask people questions and to challenge people in ways that aren't pretentious, but invigorating and exciting and enlivening.